fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine?
Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Olivia, and I'm here with a baddie makeup, you know, a basic to baddie makeup look. And yeah, I really turn out like a real goodie body. Yeah guys, so I'm really a baddie, you know what I'm saying, so if you want to see how I went from basic to baddie, just continue watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Bye. Welcome back guys. So the first thing that we're going to start with is THUMPS dry skin formula. Then we're going to go in with the Arts Natural moisturizing serum. We can't forget our lips, so we're going to go in with the regular, what is this, NK makeup. It's just a regular lip shine lip gloss. So I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony, and I'm going to go with this, my regular angled brush. I think I got it from Morphe in the bronze collection. So we're gonna do our eyebrows. Okay guys, so it's time to clean up brows, and I'm taking the Born This Way concealer, and this is in Mocha. Guys, so I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. With the same brush that we used to clean our brows up with, we're just gonna take it, and with whatever is left on the brush, we're just gonna make some strokes in the front of our brows. We're gonna leave it for now, and this is going to help our brows to look more on the natural side, at least the front. No, I do not do this, but we're going to do foundation all over the face. So Born This Way foundation, and we're going to add some streaks on our face, and this is in Chai. I'm going to use this foundation as well. I'm just gonna take a few pumps, and we're going to go in with this. And we're just gonna buff this in a little bit dark, but Our highlight is gonna bring back our face up a little bit, so I won't worry too much. Next thing we're going to do is highlight, and I'm taking that same Born This Way concealer in Mocha. We're gonna spray our brush, and then we are going to blend this out. Contour, I'm going to go with LA Girl Pro Concealer in Dark Cocoa. We're gonna put it right below our cheekbones. My beauty blender and just go over everything, especially underneath my eyes, because we don't want to be creasing, or we're trying to avoid too much creasing. At this moment, we can go ahead and brush our eyebrows out. It's time to highlight, and I'm taking the Sacha Buttercup and also the Beauty Bakery Yellow Flower Powder, and we're going to use the yellow powder first, the flower powder first. So we're gonna use the same beauty sponge and press it into our skin. And we're gonna go in with the Sacha Buttercup on top of that. We're gonna go ahead and set our brows with the Sacha Buttercup. Just press it in, and we do this so we don't get any oil leakage from our brows, so our brows stays in place the whole makeup. Okay, to set our contoured area, we're gonna go in with the Black Radiance Contour Palette. We're gonna go for the darkest shade, the contour shade, and just gonna press that in. We're going to dust this off using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in Dark Deep. You want to go with any light, like brown light color, and just put that over your eyes. just for a little color, we're gonna go in with some liner. We're not gonna do a wing, we're just gonna do a straight. And I'm taking the Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner. Next thing that we're going to do is add some black in our waterline. Alright guys, so let's add some blush, and we're going in with the Saharan blush palette by Juvia's Place, and this is volume 2. And we're gonna take a little bit of Zoba mixed with Sola, these two shimmery colors. That is gonna be our blush. That is gonna be our blush for today. So it's time for our lashes, guys, and I'm taking these lashes that I got off Amazon. If we're gonna do this old bad gal thing, like a whole body thing, like I think we can go with at least 2 bottom lashes. Let's do that. Let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks. Honestly, because girl, I'm telling you this, I'm about to take off. Like, but I love them. I love them. I love them. So I'm gonna take about 2 bottom lashes. It's time to do some highlights and real bad girl highlight, real body highlights. So we're gonna go with we're gonna go and spray our face with the same spray that we used before. Then we're gonna go in with Artist Couture in Gold Digger. Go in with some of the Master Chrome in gold. We're just gonna go right on top of that. It's time for our lips, and I'm gonna take my Chestnut by MAC. We're just gonna line our lip. I'm gonna go with Fenty Beauty Up to No Good. We're gonna put that in the middle. Then we're gonna go with the Fenty Gloss Bomb and put that right over. So this is it. Baddies! So guys, if you like this, thumbs up, subscribe, let me know what you think in the comment section.